with that obnoxious VVIP culture that runs deep in our political class. The latest being the brazen arrogance being shown by the former Andhra Chief Minister Kiran Kumar Reddy. His convoy did not even spare an ambulance. NewsX, in fact, has accessed these visuals for you to prove how insensitive our political leaders can be. These are the shots, in fact, we're playing out. Not the current Chief Minister. He's been in office before. The former Andhra Chief Minister, Kiran Kumar Reddy. He has a convoy there, and shockingly, this convoy of his did not even spare an ambulance. These are the first shots that we're playing out for you right here on NewsX. Our correspondent Deepthi with further details. Go ahead, Deepthi.
That's right. This afternoon, Kiran Kumar Reddy, former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, was on his way to the airport. The PVNR expressway, which connects to the airport to the city, was specifically built to avoid the traffic. So clearly, there is not much traffic on this particular route, and there is no need for us, for a VVIP, so-called VVIPs, to enter the zone with escorts and create a confusion there. We have clearly seen how they have whizzed past an ambulance, even leaving the ambulance behind, while the patient was still inside the ambulance. Throughout the route to the airport, we have seen the two pilot cars which were escorting Kiran Kumar Reddy to the airport, clearing the route for the former Chief Minister's convoy to make way. There was a complete chaos on the roads. With this highway, this particular road also has a lot of heavy vehicles traveling, because this is also a national highway. Clearly, there was a lot of confusion. As you can see, there were also road transportation buses which were forced to make way for the convoy. Once he reached the airport, we chased him to the airport, and we asked him the question about why this Netagiri is being shown on the roads. Clearly, he evaded our questions and also evaded our camera. In fact, walked into the airport through the VVIP entrance.
Well, Deepthi, those are the details there that you're getting us. We're looking at a former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Kiran Kumar Reddy, his convoy there, pushing aside other vehicles. More shockingly here, an ambulance. His convoy there, not even waiting for an ambulance, not even making way for an ambulance. This is yet another unfortunate incident here that we're looking at. Shocking Netagiri. With the NewsX campaign, End the Netagiri here, this obnoxious VVIP culture. Deepthi, you also stating that you did in fact try to get in a response here from the former Chief Minister, but he wasn't willing to answer.
That's right. He was, while he got down at the airport, we followed him and asked him the question of why this Netagiri, and also told him that we're doing a campaign about the story, and we also questioned him, should this end? But clearly, former Chief Minister was not even willing to wait to respond to us. He walked into the airport, evading our camera and our question, and in fact, he walked into the airport through a VVIP entrance there at Hyderabad International Airport.
Deepthi, if you could once again take us through the sequence of events on this, the ambulance there not being given way by the former Chief Minister's convoy.
That's right. This particular highway which we are talking about is the PVNR Expressway, which starts